A premium cut of Canadian beef, tenderloin is a favorite. There are 3 parts to a tenderloin, all delicious and tender. The short tenderloin or tip is irregular in shape, so when cooked, you get a variety of doneness from well to medium rare, perfect for satisfying different preferences. Tucking the small end under helps to cook this piece of meat more evenly. Next is the center cut or Chateaubriand. Popular for its even shape, you get a consistent doneness throughout, making it ideal for dishes like beef Wellington or cutting into thick steaks. The butt tenderloin can also be irregular in shape but roasts up like a dream. Season simply with salt and roast in the oven to your preferred doneness. Now, if you're ever in doubt about how to cook this beef tenderloin or other cuts of Canadian beef, check out the Roundup app. It's easy to use and will have you cooking beef like a pro in no time. Now, let's get the butt tenderloin into the oven. Using a probe thermometer makes it easy to cook roast to the perfect temperature. Once the thermometer alarm sounds, take the tenderloin out and tent it with foil for 15 to 20 minutes to allow the juices to settle before carving. Tenderloin is the perfect for easy weeknight meals or special occasions. And to make it even easier, screenshot this handy chart for tenderloin cooking times.